This is Pamela with Still Dating My Spouse. I am I am in DSW getting ready to shop for me some date night shoes for this weekend. We are having we're doing a role play. We're gonna meet at a bar and like we don't know each other. So I've gotta bring the sexy. I am just loving these shoes. Can you guys see these? OMG. I'm liking these. Y'all like these? I think they're pretty sexy too. How about these right here? I like those. I don't know, but whatever it is, I am going to get me some new shoes for date night role playing, date night to this weekend. Not sure when I'm gonna get the phone call to say meet me somewhere, but we are role playing for date night this weekend. What are you guys doing for your date night? Let me know. Leave your comments below. I am follow me, subscribe to the channel. I am Dating My Spouse on Twitter and Facebook. It is Still Dating My Spouse. I will talk to you guys later and tell you how this role playing date night goes. Enjoy your weekend.